So with all that's happening around us with COVID-19 at the moment, we're all feeling a little bit more stressed and overwhelmed, especially our children. Now, one of the things that may be helping many families through this time is their pets. And there's lots of research to show the mental and developmental benefits for children having pets in their lives. Some of these benefits include lowering stress levels, less feelings of loneliness, having greater feelings of self-esteem, but also empathy for others, greater feelings of trust and more sharing, caring and helping behaviours. But some of the benefits also are physical. So we know that having pets part of our lives, particularly dogs in children, they're more physically active. So dogs are great for motivating parents and children, families to be active through activity and active play at home, but also going on family dog walks. And we know that being physically active is also good for our mental health. Now, the Australian government recommends that Australian children should be doing 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity per day. Now, this is the activity that causes a bit of huffing and puffing. And what better way to do that through active play at home with our pets or going on a family dog walk. The physical activity benefits for children include things like stronger muscles and bones, also doing better at school, better levels of concentration and attention when doing schoolwork, feeling better overall, physically and mentally, and some developmental benefits as well. And of course, being physically active is important for keeping a healthy weight status. So what is it about pets that can be so helpful? Well, first of all, they provide a great deal of companionship. For many families, they are considered an important family member. They also provide an unconditional source of love and affection, and they help children learn about a sense of responsibility and also routine in the daily process of feeding and exercising and making sure they've got fresh water. They also are a great source of physical activity. They motivate us to be active, children in particular, opportunities for active play and family dog walks. But considering all that is going on around us right now, they are really important in their role as a social buffer from stress and anxiety. Our own research has shown recently that those children who have a pet do better in terms of their social and emotional development. Our research found that children who had a dog compared to no pet at all had a 20 to 30% reduction in abnormal scores on a social and emotional development scale. Now, cats also were important and provided these developmental benefits compared to not having any pets. And we also saw some added benefits for those children who don't have any other siblings. In terms of the mental and developmental benefits of pets for children, the type of pet probably doesn't matter too much. The key thing is that your child is connected and well attached to that pet. But when we think about some of the physical benefits, particularly the physical activity that pets can promote, it is the family dog that wins the race here. It's important to think about how a pet would fit within your family and your lifestyle. So the number of children you have, the ages, what other pets you may already have at home. Not only how the pet would fit in your family now, but also after the pandemic, because we have pets in our lives generally for a considerable amount of time. Now, getting a pet is a really important decision. Having a pet comes with a number of responsibilities related to caring for it. So exercising, feeding, vaccinating, training, and socialising it, amongst many others. And many of these responsibilities do come with a financial cost. Although, as I've already indicated, there's a huge number of benefits of having pets. Now, there are some shorter term options that are available. So many animal shelters are at present offering the fostering of cats and dogs to people. And this is a great option to consider whether having a pet works for your family. But it's really important to do your homework, not just to see how that would work now in our current circumstances, but later on afterwards as well. And one of the great things you can do is give your local vet a call and have a chat to them to see what they would advise in terms of having and bringing a pet into your family at this time.